Mastering model-based systems engineering. Operational excellence hinges on measuring the right KPIs. How can we determine and measure the key performance indicators, KPIs, that will enable operational excellence in a model-based systems engineering, MBSE, approach? To determine and measure the key performance indicators, KPIs, that will enable operational excellence in a model-based systems engineering, MBSE, approach, a structured methodology should be followed. This methodology involves understanding the organizational objectives, identifying the critical success factors, establishing performance metrics, and continuously monitoring and evaluating the KPIs. Firstly, it is essential to understand the organizational objectives and the goals of the MBSE approach. This involves identifying the critical success factors that contribute to operational excellence. These critical success factors can include aspects such as system design quality, model accuracy, testing efficiency, and project timelines. Once the critical success factors are identified, the next step is to establish relevant performance metrics or KPIs that will measure the achievement of these factors. These KPIs should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART. Examples of KPIs for an MBSE approach can include 1. Model quality metrics. Model precision, accuracy of the model in predicting system behavior. Model completeness, percentage of requirements covered by the model. Model complexity, number of components, interfaces, and relationships. 2. Design quality metrics. Design reuse, percentage of reused design elements. Design consistency, percentage of design elements conforming to standards. Design coverage, percentage of requirements covered by the design. 3. Testing and validation metrics. Testing efficiency, percentage of tests automated. Testing effectiveness, percentage of defects detected during testing. Validation accuracy, percentage of validated requirements. 4. Project management metrics. Project schedule performance, percentage of tasks completed on time. Project budget performance, percentage of budget allocated to tasks. Resource utilization, percentage of resources allocated to tasks. 5. Collaboration and communication metrics. Stakeholder satisfaction, percentage of stakeholders satisfied with MBSE results. Team collaboration, percentage of team members contributing to MBSE activities. Information sharing, percentage of shared models and data. Once the KPIs are established, a data collection and analysis framework should be implemented to track and monitor the performance metrics. This framework should include data sources, data collection methods, data analysis techniques, and reporting mechanisms. The data collected should be accurate, complete, and reliable to ensure that the KPIs accurately reflect the performance of the MBSE approach. To ensure continuous improvement and operational excellence, the KPIs should be regularly reviewed and evaluated. This involves 1. Data analysis. Analyze the collected data to identify trends, patterns, and correlations between KPIs. 2. Performance evaluation. Evaluate the performance of the MBSE approach based on the KPIs and identify areas for improvement. 3. Goal setting. Set realistic and achievable goals for each KPI based on the performance evaluation. 4. Corrective actions. Implement corrective actions to address any deviations from the goals or targets. 5. Continuous monitoring. Continuously monitor and evaluate the KPIs to ensure that the MBSE approach is aligned with the organizational objectives and critical success factors. In conclusion, determining and measuring the KPIs that enable operational excellence in an MBSE approach requires a structured methodology that involves understanding organizational objectives, identifying critical success factors, establishing performance metrics, and continuously monitoring and evaluating the KPIs. By following this methodology, organizations can ensure that their MBSE approach is aligned with their objectives and is continuously improving.